Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to use Instagram branded content tool. Instagram is absolutely taking over the world of marketing. And with 80% of people following brands, it's really important to make sure that users are safe and so are businesses. That's why we're going over what branded content is with Instagram and how it's going to work with you as a creator and for you as a business. Welcome to another video. I'm here to help you grow your business with better social media and content marketing. Now, before we dive into this, when you are figuring out what to do for branded content, whether you are a business or a creator, it's important to make sure that you have a very clear content marketing plan. First things first, whether you're a creator or a business owner, you need to make sure that you have an Instagram account that allows for you to do or accept branded content. You want to make sure your Instagram account is either a creator account or a business account. When you have these accounts, you're going to be able to tag businesses for paid partnerships, as well as approve people to access your content. This is really important because branded content is a great way for brands to have access to creators who have the audience and the people that will buy and listen to and care about their product. We want to make sure that brands aren't just taking those creators' content without permission. You also want to make sure that creators aren't trying to say that they have this brand partnership when clearly they don't. That's why you need to have approval on both sides of the spectrum. Let's head over to Instagram where I'm going to show you how to use the branded content tool for creators and business owners. Go to Instagram, click on your profile, and we're going to the three lines at the top, the hamburger. Next, go and hit settings and privacy at the top. This is going to tell you what kind of accounts you have. Scroll down and click Business Tools and Controls. If you have a business account or a creator account, yours will look like this. I personally think that it's better than a creator account, but I think it's all about preference. Click on Branded Content. So in this Branded Content Approvals tab, I can have these different options. So this is going to be what I'm going to do as a business to allow people to be a part of my brand and that they're able to use my content for their own promotional needs. So let's say I wanted to promote my book or I have a live stream or something that I want to do and I want to allow the brand to share it and benefit from my content. So what we can do is always have manually approved content creators up because you always want to make sure that people are tagging you are supposed to be able to. You can request approval from brand partners. Then you can go to Approve Content Creators. Then click the Search tab and search for a content creator to approve them. Down here you will see Approve Content Creators. And you have here Received Request. Approving these requests will allow these creators to add you as a paid partner on their branded content, including previous branded content they have added you to. When someone requests approval to add you to branded content, it will show up here. So if you search for a content creator and approve them, they will be added to your list. Then you can go ahead and add more people. So these are brands or people or individuals or profiles that I'm allowing to be able to tag me for paid promotional opportunities. As a creator, what do? So if I'm going to go up here to the plus, I want to create a quick story. For example, you can put your photo here. You need to be able to drive traffic to it. Now, because this is a branded content, you can't ask questions on it. It's just a limitation of branding content tools. So you have to make sure that whatever you put in here makes sense. So because Instagram is a little quirky, once you get into the branded content space, you actually do not want to have anybody tag or have anything that says ad in there. And so because it's a promoted content, it will say paid promotion. So hit send and just like that, it goes up. When you go to your stories, you click it and then you can see paid partnership with your brand partners. And that's what's going to show up. So if you're looking to do more with Instagram and create more awesome content, keep watching our videos. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Before we end, let me introduce to you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder. Create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. Build your successful online business without breaking a sweat. Create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. Supports all major payment gateways and memberships. 30 plus ready-made funnel and opt-in templates. Email marketing using inbuilt autoresponder, membership system to create free or paid memberships. Easy one-click install, no coding or knowledge of hosting required. So get CloudFunnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.